Well, hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Atika, and now that you've been thoroughly greeted, our company, which is called as Diamond Ridge Construction, will present the tender we took as our project, which is construction of Dental Faculty Phase 1 in University Islam Science Malaysia. The construction of Dental Faculty building is provided by Education Division, Contract and Quantity Surveying Branch, JKR Malaysia Headquarters. The project is cost 15,775,000 ringgit Malaysia, and the starting date is 13 January 2022 and ended in 13 May 2023. Hence, the total of duration is 486 days. We will construct a Faculty of Dentistry in University Science Islam Malaysia with 1 unit of building and a capacity of 10,400 students. It's an institutional and commercial construction project that is used for both students and staffs in Faculty of Dentistry. Next, we move on to topic of what is the type of PMC adopted. We use traditional method for this project as it is a well-established system in which projects are planned, executed, monitored and closed in a sequential order. Linear processes, paperwork, upfront planning and priority are all hallmarks of traditional project management.
The type of PMC adopted in this project is using traditional method, design, build and build. Type of PMC adopted in Diamond Ridge Construction use the common strategy of proceeding building. The design team is different from the construction team. The advantage of PMC adopted is faster timeline, consistent budget, quality of work, owner reduced risk and streamlined communication. This is our project team. First, Jaganath Hari as a project manager, Nur Atika as a planning engineer, Adam Bakri quantity surveyor, Nur Shairat office engineer, Muhammad Nasri construction manager, and lastly Muhammad Zulakin as a safety and material engineer. For the type of organizational structure, first we use functional related organizational structure, divide the company into departments. Second, metric, reporting relationship split as a metric. Third, project ties established specifically for a project. The project team member work under the management of the project manager. Or composite a combination of other type of structure. And fifth, lastly, we build it.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Adam Bakri. So I will explain about method of statement of construction work. So I will explain about site clearing, consists of workforce, PPE, equipment, and work methodology. So for the workforce of this construction work, first we have site engineer, surveyor, safety officer, site supervisor, equipment operator, and helper. And next, for the equipment for this construction work, the first is dump truck, excavator, dozer, survey equipment, and other hand operated tool if needed. Next, for PPE, which is stand for personal protective equipment. First, we have hand glove, earplug, safety glasses, safety vest, and safety hat and shoes for this construction work. So, for the last part, I will explain about the work methodology. For work methodology is divided into two stages. First, preliminary stage, and second is execution. So I will start with preliminary first. So for the first activities is mark the site boundary. So the setting out of the site must be done by an approved survey of the land surveyor. The next activity is submit the setting out survey drawing to the client to get the approval. In addition, in the drawing we must have all the dimension, levels and benchmark. The third activity is the perform the tri-pitch. Basically, the perform tri-pitch is to scan the underground to find any existing utilities that can, so we can avoid any damage during the site clearance work. Next, inspect all equipment and tool on the site before proceed with the work. And lastly, we must get the permit to excavation from the authority where the site clearing work is carried out. So for the execution stage, the first activity is divide the area into zone according to the construction schedule. Next, develop a temporary access road for the heavy machinery like dump truck, excavator, and dozer and any other vehicle. Next, remove tree, shrub, stump, and we must make sure the roots is completely removed. Next, report all existing substructure to the engineer for the demolition or removal process. Next, remove the topsoil using the machinery, and the topsoil can be stockpiled at the site for the reuse purpose or to dispose at the designated area. Next, notify any contamination. The contamination shall be notified to the client or the consultant, so the authority can handle the hazard according to the disposal plan. And after done all the activity, the record shall be done by using the filing method.
Hello and a good day to everyone. I am Jaganath and I am the project manager of this project. Today I'll be talking about work breakdown structure and also organizational breakdown structure. First, I'll be talking about work breakdown structure, also known as WBS. Its purpose is to identify all the activities that will be involved throughout the project and also to prepare a project plan. Using WBS, we are able to control cost and time will be managed more efficiently. Here you see the WBS of our project. Next is organizational breakdown structure, also known as OBS. OBS function is the decomposition of necessary resources to perform a job. We are able to know which organization is responsible for carrying out certain activities throughout the project. And here you see the OBS of our project.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Zul Hakim Berosli, student ID AA19166. Now I would like to continue our presentation on PERT analysis and critical path method for our project. So from PERT analysis, we can obtain the value for time estimation, which is TE, from optimistic value, most likely value and pessimistic value. After that, we also can obtain variant value using variant formula and calculate the variant that are involved with critical path to find project standard deviation. For critical path method, we can see the zero float trend on the diagram for critical path. So our project critical path is B, C, D, E, F, G, H, K, M, R, S, and T. And we back to PERT analysis again. Our project is start on 13 January 2022 and finish on 13 May 2023. The overall duration to complete our project is 486 days. The project standard deviation that can we get from critical path variant is 12.614 and z-score value that we get is 1.11. After that, by referring to the z-score table, we can get 0.8665. So the chance for this project to succeed in 500 days is 86.65% and the chance to fail to be complete in 500 days is 13.35%. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi Dr. Patrick and others panel. I am Muhammad Nasri by Abdul Nasir. ID number 881915. My position in this company is construction manager. I will start with the activity duration. There are 20 major activities that has been scheduled during this course of this project. According to plan, this project will start on 13 January 2022 and will finish on 13 May 2023. For initial and planning activity, we will start on 13 until 22 January 2022. For execution and control, we will start at 23 January by activity site clearing and works and others. We will complete on 1st March 2023. And for close phase activity is 2nd April 2023 until 13 May 2023. This is our Gantt chart for this project. Project timeline is from 13 January 2022 until 13 May 2023. It will take 486 days for complete this project. To determine the cost of the project, we must look at the cost of activity in project. The initial and planning phase, the cost used is 15,000. The biggest cost will be incurred during the execution and control phase by existing 95%, which is 15,635,000. While on the closing phase is 100,000. The total cost in this project is 15,775,000. This is S-curve cost against time for this project from day 1 until day 486. That's all from me. Thank you.
There are several reasons as to why you should choose our company. First of all, our company is registered under MyBeam. Moreover, our company provides the best quality for the lowest price in the market. Next, we also have a good amount of experience in our hands and we can guarantee a good quality product for the clients.